Remember when you first discovered you were a writer? It was like you suddenly had superpowers, and just by putting words in the proper order, creation issued forth, and you had the ability to create worlds and populate them with diverse characters. You realized the possibilities were so vast that a lifetime wouldn't be enough to explore them all. The journey of your story was like navigating a maze. One turn might reveal gold, and the next an impenetrable wall. I created Story Detective as a way for broadening the landscape for writers. There's an input as well as an output for establishing a good creative balance. And inspiration often comes from approaching storytelling in a new or unconventional way. You may need to explore what lies beneath the exterior mask worn by your hero. Or maybe you need a better understanding of your villain. Are you having trouble finding time to write within your busy schedule? Do you enjoy experimenting with various keyboards or tools that allow you to take your writing on the run? Sometimes thinking outside the box means thinking outside of our chairs. Can other hobbies fuel your creativity? It's all right here. My name is Robert Jones, and you're watching The Story Detective.